Hi there, thanks so much for stopping by. I apologize for this, but last night I spent all this time doing a video showing you how I use the background that I had made with the wax paper, and then I went ahead and painted a floral scene on one just to give you a demonstration as to, obviously you could paint anything on it, but what it would look like using that wax paper background. And when I went up to upload the video, it was not there, so I'm not really sure what happened, so I apologize, but I still wanted to show you what the results were. And this is just a sample of a hydrangea flower that I painted using the wicker white, the berry wine, the forest moss, and the thicket. Typically on this type of flower I would do the dot in the center yellow, but just for the purpose of keeping the amount of paint down, I just used the wicker white for a quick sample. And then when I initially was doing this, I did mention that you could actually maybe do this technique on a wall, maybe all of the walls in your room, whatever room you're painting, or just make a themed, single wall, this type of a technique. And then I did this painting just to show maybe painting a border at the top of your room, or you could do a border in the center of the room or the base of your room using this technique with the wax paper, pulling the paint off the wall after you've painted it the base color, and then, like I said, doing some type of a design border around the room. Or again, it could still just be a focus wall, focal point wall in your room. It doesn't have to actually be the entire room. I think it would be a lot for you to use, especially this color. And I don't know if you realize this, when you do a print like this, it actually will show up nicely if you use the same color but a different sheen, meaning that, say, if you use the flat and did a semi-gloss over the top of it, you would still see a contrast even though the colors are the same. I didn't know if you're aware of that, but it does actually give a neat look if you're sponging, or you're wanting something just to give a subtle look but not something as stark as what this comes out to be. It actually does make a nice finish. Anyways, with this technique, the hand painting that I did, and this is just an easy leaf and little rosebud border. I used a 12-inch flat brush and a 3/4-inch flat brush on both of these projects. And again, I'm sorry that I'm not actually showing you the video of painting it. I had every intention of doing so, but I didn't want to let these go to waste after putting the effort into it, and wanted to at least show you the finished product. Next one, I promise I will show you the beginning and end on video, actually doing the techniques and not just showing you the finished product. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give it a thumbs up. Please share. I appreciate that. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'd love to hear from you. And I appreciate you again stopping by and looking at my video. Sorry there wasn't more to it than there is. But again, it was a bloop somehow with the original video. And I just wanted to give you a little I guess still share what I actually did last night and then attempt to create a video for you. So anyways, thanks again. Have a good evening, and until the next video, I look forward to seeing you again.